A big hello to my RFA family. Thank you so much for joining in. Thank you for all those lovely preparations which we had been doing till today. And thank you very much for taking out those precious minutes to listen to the booster. Thank you, Shaza. Thank you very much, Aruj. Thank you very much, Ala. Lots and lots of names. Hello, Hannah. Hi, Noor. Hello, hello. Hi, Doha. How are you doing today? Hello, Kerry. Hi, Ryan. I hope you all are doing great. Thank you very much, Rafa. Thank you, Laiba. Soumya, how are you doing, my love? Thank you very much, Marva. Thank you so much, Anabila, Diva. Thank you, Farooz. It is amazing having all of you here. Thank you very much, Mab. Every time when I take a booster, I again dive into those memories where it makes me go into that past. What were the feelings when it was my exam? And what were the feelings when it's like 24 to 48 hours are remaining for any exam, guys? It is so natural to feel that everything is mixed up, though. It's so natural to feel that we are missing out the points, and it's so natural that we don't remember those things which we have done. We don't remember those things which we know. We only remember the points which are still confusing. Thank you very much, Doha. If the voice gives you energy, I think my job is done. Thank you so much for being here today, Amna. Thank you. I would like to tell you that it's not only you today, Amna, Amana, Doha, Soumya. It is everybody's feel. Every single person who is going for the exam is having the absolutely same feeling what is going to happen on the exam day. Hamida, it's not you only. Aruj, it's not you only. It was the same feeling when your mentor was at your place. It was the same feeling when all your seniors, when all your colleagues who have taken the exam, and it was the same feeling when you yourself were in the same place when you were taking any other exam. We forget it because when we pass, we forget that feeling. Just remember your medical school. You remember what were you feeling before the anatomy exam, before the pharmacology, before the pathology? We all had the same tachycardia, right? But the time passes. I mean, when the result comes and when we pass and we step further, we tend to forget. Am I right? Absolutely, Shaza. Just remember to your secondary school examinations, remember any exam. This is the same feeling. Feroz, absolutely. I also feel the same. We all feel the same. Then what is that decision making point amongst those who are who are getting a passing result? When feeling is the same, no matter the person is a gold medalist and no matter the person who is failing, when feeling is the same, then what is the differentiating point between the successful or unfortunately the non-successful candidates? The changing point is only one. Hamid, I'm going to address all of this today. The changing point is only one. The game changer is only one feel, and that is staying composed, being yourself, and having the presence of mind on those exam hours. The one who does it, believe me, is passing. I have lots of reasons to motivate you today. It's not just that I'm here to tell you, or it's a sermon regarding staying focused or staying confident. I know we all get nervous as I'm giving you my own example. I agree. We all have tachycardia, but then you need to have a control over yourself. You need to understand that this is just one exam. And I have a reason to boost you today. Had it been the second or the third part, I would have I would have spoken a little more honestly in terms of the results which the students they get. Because this is the first part, We just need your 50% of performance, please. Rest, it would be done. What do I mean by that? Even if under the nervousness you make few questions wrong, which should not happen, this exam has got a very high passing percentage. A very high passing percentage until or unless you just do a hands up. In MRCOG-1 exam, I always say you cannot fail. Only failures are those students who are totally not performing, which I'm sure would not be the case, everyone. Why we are nervous today? Because we are missing out those bits that can make us reach to 90%. That can make us reach to 80 to 90%. For me, you all are above 80%, and you would see in the congratulations meet that you guys would be above 80%. It's just a matter of being above 90 and between 95. This is what my experience is, and this is what I know exactly the situation is. You guys are nervous because you're seeing yourself. Why I'm giving you this hope and this booster? Because I see many batches before you guys. Yes, there's a difference between our vision. I would just like to tell you that this last minute, nothing but the feel inside that people had been doing it earlier, you can do it as well. I do not want, I do not want, Kamal, that in the last moment we lose that hope. The hope where we can score above 90% and we are missing out. You all are above 80%. I am telling you today, you all are above 80% because I know what Allah has taught. I know what mentors have taught. I know the previous batches result, and I know the consistency which you guys had been having in the study groups, the regular, the fast track, the rapid revision. I know that you what is your baseline as a mentor. The only thing which I need is that from this point onwards, nervousness should not ruin our result. Like one of the friend was writing in the chat box a little while earlier that I could not sleep for the last many days. Now, this type of an attire would make us nervous before exam. That would make our efficiency go down. Even if you sleep 1 to 2 hours more, I would not be unhappy. I would be happy because, your medical school information that will be coming up in your mind as well. We are just like this lady reaching up to the top of the mountain. We cannot make it a shaky performance, please. Do you all understand why I'm meeting you today? I'm telling you that you all are passing. Take my words. Have faith in me only. That you all are 100% passing. It's only this last minute feel that is making you disturbed, and we cannot lose on the cost of so many hard working days. We cannot lose in the last 2 days. Why should we? Why should we make it a difficult ending for ourselves? Do you understand what I mean, Ryan? This had been day-to-day sacrifice. It's just a time to get relaxed, do a very good meditation, and please believe in yourself. That's the most important thing for which I'm here to tell you that I am speaking with evidence of many batches that MRCOG Part 1 is definitely a doable exam. It's an entrance exam. You all are around 80%. Then what do we need to work upon now? I only need some last minute tips in that, please. It's not an exhaustive exam as MRCOG-2 and MRCOG-3. You've got 100 single best answers. You've got an hour break in between as well. Make sure that you read your instructions very carefully. Have a very good time management. Generally, again, the time management is not a problem. It's something where in part 1, generally, before time, you people would be up, don't be hasty. See the question carefully, see the options. Even if you know the answer, it's a 100% copy paste previous exam question, even then, please read every option A, B, C, D, E carefully. And after reading the options, make sure that you read the leading word. Are they asking about the appropriate thing, the best thing, the next thing, please? And then mark it. Now, if 5 to 10 questions you don't know, you don't have to get panic at all. It's absolutely okay. It's just like making a difference between 90 and 95% scoring. The toppers had always been at 95, 90%. Now you should fight for each question. And when you are submitting your answer, review it once again. Make sure that you've got all the energies. Stay hydrated, please. Do not spend overtime on one question, but make sure that before exam, no matter you know your friends, no matter you are in the same hospital, you do not talk to each other. I've got my reasons for that because everybody is anxious. And if somebody says, "Oh, I'm not remembering the acid-base balance," and you would be like, "Oh, I think I am forgetting that as well," because everything is in your mind and you can't focus on one thing. So if somebody says that, you tend to lose the attention. No matter even anyone very closely, you people are going to be absolutely quiet in the Pearson Center. Make sure that you are not talking prior to the exam and in the break time as well. You know why? Because after that is a second exam, and both the exams are equally important. Everyone, please listen to me very, very carefully. When you're having your first exam, it goes wonderfully well. Still, you should not be overconfident. Quietly eat something, drink something in the break, attend toilet, offer your prayers, and then get ready for the second one. If it doesn't go well, even then don't get too much upset because you've got another chance to make a good aggregate. Do y'all get what I mean? In either of the cases, your second exam should not get affected. If it goes really good or if it doesn't go that good, in both the cases, do not get overconfident or underconfident for the second exam. And I'm very, very strict in this thing because this actually affects your second exam preparation. Aruna, I do not suggest reading in the break time because your exhaustion affects your reading focus. And when you're revising something, you don't know the questions would come from that or no. But yes, when you will start your second exam, you would be reading with a very occupied mind, please, which I do not want. It would not make a difference reading 30 minutes or 40 minutes before the exam, please. Either it's the first paper or it's the second paper. I need your mental rest. I need that your eyes can see what's written. Often students, they say, "Ma'am, I was so anxious that I was just missing out the words." It just happens because of lack of sleep and exhaustion. I just want positivity around, not to talk to anyone in the center. After the first paper is done, please meditate, please eat something, drink something, attend toilet, get fresh, have your second exam with the same enthusiasm, fight from first question till the 100th question, and then once you get over with that, it's absolutely okay. You can hug each other, you can chat with each other, you can talk about anything, but not on the cost of your effective performance in exam. Do you all get what I mean? This is all out of experience, please. Right? Now, these days, today and tomorrow, I want at least 8 to 10 hours sleep. No, we can never end up our preparation. Still, there would be lots of topics which would be like, "I need to do this, Shaza. I need to do this, Rafa." We would never be 100% prepared. And it's not only for this exam, for any exam. We are never 100% prepared. It's always that we are less in something, and it's always that we want to read more. We are never ready to take exam. It's natural. But I am here to tell you guys that you're absolutely ready. I'm here to tell you guys that you are over prepared for MRCOG Part 1. And I mean it. I mean it because, again, this is not the first exam which you guys are taking in MRCOG 1. Everybody has wonderful scores in MRCOG 1. The way you had been prepared has always been proved to be tremendous results. But I don't want that in the last moments, Ghazala, we tend to lose because we are having some sort of a feeling inside that we can't do it. I will be sending few voice notes before sleeping. I would be sending a 1.5 minute voice note before your exam. When you enter into the Pearson Center, you would be listening to that voice note and just leave everything and you'll go inside with the focus. Those last words which should be in your mind, you should be just listening to it, fighting till the last question, taking every question. I would pass this question, I'm passing exam. I would pass this one, I'm passing exam. And you would see the difference. One very important thing, please, do not rely upon one uh, identity check. It's always better to take even four if you have. You can take your national identity, you can take your passports, you can take your driving license. It's been very unfortunate if the Pearson Center doesn't have the same name by the college. It had been quite unfortunate that students could not appear in MRCOG 1 and MRCOG 2 because of the change of the name often after marriages and all. So please take your multiple IDs and write to college if at all your IDs they don't match with the college name, please. Don't take it lightly because the Pearson is very, very strict in that they cannot make you appear in exam if the name is not the same. Do you all get this point? Everybody has done this ID check settlement, please. The name is the same as that on ID and that on your college ID, please. Your ID check should be absolutely similar first and the second name, please. Make sure that you don't take it easy. Anything, any ID which matches to the college name, they need that ID. So you can take multiple IDs if they're not accepting one or two. All right? Okay? Anything which is disturbing you guys in the last moment. We are meeting today because I wanted to say best of luck from all the team, all your mentors, all your moderators, coordinators, website team. But I have to make another announcement as well. And that is we would meet again in the congratulations. You know that you know that this is just a matter of few days, and you would see that you all would be preparing for MRCOG Part 2. I know this. You are not able to see this today because it's your exam. I know this because I've seen this day for so many students and so many students. I know that there will be lots of phone calls and congratulations meet. I have full faith in you guys. People, even if you have started in December, you guys can make it. I'm sure that this would be a successful journey. Anything which is disturbing you at the moment, anything you want me to address. So, in terms of the surname, Somya, make sure that that is the same as that with the RCOG, right? It should be the same one. Yeah, right? Now, let's take an oath together with all of us that we would reach out to the success. Ma'am, I have a single name. So, same name is with the college, Mirza? Same name is with the college, right? Correct? Then it's not a problem. They are going to send the college name to Pearson Center. The problem arises when the college name is something different and the name on the ID is something different. Like especially the girls after getting married, they change their second name. That's a problem. Okay? Then it creates a trouble. Yes? All right, perfect. Thank you very much. Great. Medical registration certificate is okay. That can be one of the ID. Yes. Yes, it can be one of the ID. Absolutely, absolutely. All right, great. Any one ID is okay, Hajar, but take more. I mean to say you can take more IDs. I mean, you can take the IDs. Thank you so much, Ryan. You can take the IDs just to be safer. You can take like 3 to 4 IDs. It's okay. We've got so many. You can even take the driving license. Yes, you can even take the driving license. Absolutely. You can take any other ID as well. But take 2 to 3 so that you have water. Few of the Pearson Center had been very, very strict, but generally they allow water and chocolates or tiny things, but it's not an exhaustive exam. If you have a good breakfast, please, you people should take something in the middle as well, like in 1 hour break. Get ready for that with lots of food. Okay, idea in Arabic writing. No, no problem, Doha. Arabic turned into English. You should have the translation name, so it should not be a problem. Okay, the English name, like if Doha is there, the second name in your ID, it's not a problem. Many cases, students, they have this and it's not an issue at all, right? Because on the other side of your ID, yeah, it's written in English as well. Once in English and once in Arabic, right? Yeah? Okay, perfect. Thank you very much. Any thought, any feel which is disturbing you guys, please let me know. I'm here to address that because once we end up this meeting, I want a very, very strong attire. I don't want people to give you some sort of a satisfaction or some sort of a counseling. I want my students to be so strong that they're telling everyone everything would be fine. You would see that I'll come out successfully. I want you to tell your families. I want you to be internally so strong. First of all, telling yourself that I know I can do it. I know I would be able to do it. It's just a matter of 2.5 hours, and I would come out successfully. Ghazala, it seems now because we are not concentrating on one thing. Because it's just like lots of curriculum is in our mind. When you will be concentrating on one question, you would see the difference. You would see the difference that concentration would come out to be stronger. That would be like a perfect answer because then you will be thinking about that topic only. Do you get what I mean? At the moment, because it's lots of things in the head, so it feels that yes, I'm forgetting. All right? Okay? Perfect. Well done. I want an oath. I want to promise that no matter how difficult or no matter how easy the exam is, we would give the best of our potential. We would make sure that whatever is in front of us till the last question, we would fight, and we would fight till the last question. And this is the aim. If this would be the aim, you people would see the change and you people would see that everyone would be passing in this exam. I need your strength from inside. I need that feeling that I am going to just read the questions carefully and all the discussions that are done in the group, in your study groups, that would come up in your mind. Yes? Yes? Very nice. Very well done. Absolutely, Noor. You don't need to do anything else. Just concentrate on those points and that's it. We don't need to do anything else. Just scan those things. Take care of your food. Take care of your sleep. And the job is done. The job is absolutely done. Yes? Thank you very much, Amana. Thank you very much. All of you are amazing. I'm sure. Yes, Ala, my dear. You want to say something? Yes,
Hello,
please, Ala,
doctor.
my
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum
Assalamu
assalam
alaikum,
wa
doctor.
rahmatullah, my dear. How are you
How are you
doing?
doing? Alhamdulillah, I'm fine. How about you? Thank
Yes,
you
my
so
dear.
much.
All
Thank
fine.
you
Thank you
so
so
much, doctor, for this really lovely session. We needed the most, this booster,
Thank you.
this uplifting words. No words to thank you. Just to, we are keeping you always. You are in our prayers, and may Allah accept. Thank you for your extra effort, you and all your team, RFA team, and for the encouragement you're giving us and the help at every single moment that we are provided with in this group.
Thank you
You
so
are not only our mentors and you precisely, you're not our mentor, you became like a friend. I feel like you're like a sister for us, a guide,
Thank
and all enrolled
thank
in
you
one
so
person.
much.
Thank you for this.
Thank you
You
so
we will always be grateful for you and for your support and your kindness, and
thank
for
you
all the rest of the mentors with no exception. Thank you.
thank
For
you
the rest
so
of my
much.
friends here and my colleagues, I wish you all the best, all of you. And inshallah, may all of you succeed and achieve the highest marks with no
Ameen.
exception. And we will all, inshallah, Ameen, we'll go together. We'll complete this journey to the second part and to the third part, along with RFA team.
Thank you
Bi'idhnillah.
so much,
So
Amin.
much.
Thank you so much, Ala. I would just like to tell all of you, thank you so much. I would just like to tell you that you all have been doing great. And remember everyone in prayers, because when we remember all of others in prayers, the blessings are more. It's just like a family. And I don't want one successful, two successful, three successful results. I want 100% success of all the family members working hard, hands in hands, and all together reaching up to the MRCOG Part 2. On 18th, we'll take an introduction, and I'm sure that we all would be same with this family bonding together in the next journey. I know you all had been sacrificing in your own capacities. You had been working hard. At the end of the day, all is well when it ends well. And now it would be our time to give our best. And I'm sure you all would come up with flying colors, and may the blessings be with you guys. So I would be on the prayer mat, honestly, on those 5 hours. I'm sure the entire team, again, it feels that it's our exam. And until unless you get successful, definitely, yes, prayers and blessings are needed. Would definitely be praying my heart out until unless you come out of the examination center, and even after that till results. Thank you so much for being the best students ever. Thank you very much for keeping all the standards of the study higher. I'm sure the Almighty out there would be blessing us for all these good deeds. Lots and lots of loves, lots and lots of luck coming your way. When you would be taking your exam, you would feel the blessings are with you, because the discussions would be pouring in. The answers to the questions, somebody would be telling you, yes, I've discussed this. I know this. You would feel during the exam that you were very well prepared. Lots and lots of prepares from the entire team of RFA tutors. Best of luck from all of your mentors, your coordinators, the moderators, the back-end team, and me being responsible for all of you would definitely be praying for you guys. I'm sure that the success would be ours. I need your help. I need your energies. I need your sleep, good diet, rest. Everything is going to be 100% fine. You people would see once you come out of the examination hall. You people would see when you people would receive that congratulations email. See you all in the MRCOD Part 2 journey. With all these hopes, best of luck for your exam. Love you. Take very good care of yourself. Just see the question carefully. You all are already passing. Lots and lots of love. Make very, very good attire, confident attire. Just follow the tips. Everything is fine. Thank you so much. Bye-bye from my side. See you in the next part, and you all would do great. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Love, lots and lots of love. Bye-bye. Thank you so much. Thank you for your precious time.